Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put coolant in Jeep Patriot only way. Park on level ground, let the engine cool completely, and open the hood. Start by locating the coolant reservoir and radiator cap, then inspect hoses and clamps for leaks. Use a 50/50 coolant and distilled water mix unless the owner manual specifies otherwise. Pour slowly to avoid spills and watch the level rise to the fill mark. Before you begin, gather coolant, distilled water, a funnel, and gloves so you stay tidy and safe. Using the correct 50/50 mix will protect your engine from freezing and boiling, so measure carefully. If you plan to flush old coolant, have a drain pan and a way to dispose of coolant responsibly. Keep rags nearby for quick cleanup and take your time to avoid overfilling under pressure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more how-to content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long garage sessions. It seals well and fits most cup holders, so you won't spill while working under the hood. I've linked it in the description along with other useful gear. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing the reservoir cap after verifying the engine is cool to prevent splashes. If you can access the radiator cap safely, top the radiator until near full, then fill the reservoir to the indicated mark. Start the engine with the heater on high and let it reach normal temperature to circulate coolant and release trapped air. Turn off, wait, then recheck both radiator and reservoir levels and tighten caps securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.